What's going on, everyone? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. We're in the same neighborhood again as last time. This is New Fairview, Texas. It's between Justin and Ponder, Texas. And we're in front of this 20 by 30 by 10 foot tall structure. It does have a lean-to on the right-hand side over here, which is an 8 wide by 30 foot long. And it starts at 10 foot tall connected to the building and goes down to 8 foot. It does have 3 openings here on the side. This customer went ahead and got two-tone coloring, some garage doors, and it's got something really neat on the inside. So let's go check that out. All right, guys, so on the front here, they're gonna have a 10 by 8 roll-up door. And as you see on the inside here, they went ahead and insulated the building with spray foam. Now, American Steel does not offer that at the moment. We only do a vapor barrier, which is an R16 value, but you can go ahead and insulate your building with your choosing. They went ahead and did the spray foam. They didn't color anything. I think it's just a normal color that you get when you spray foam a building. They did get the vertical sides and the vertical ends and the vertical roof as well. So that did help out with their insulation, but it looks really nice in here. The customer has stated that out here, it's about 104 degrees right now. They have a little temperature in here that notes that it's about 90 degrees, so it does help with the heat. They have also mentioned that they're ran some conduit underneath the building. They haven't done the electrical work yet, but once they do, they plan to add some fans, whatever else they can do to help get some airflow inside this building. It is a little toasty at the moment, but I'm sure with the fans and all the electrical work that they're gonna start doing, it'll help it tremendously. But it looks really nice. So inside this building, like I mentioned before, it's a 20 by 30 foot long building. And as of right now, all they have is storage. They took a lot of their stuff from their attic and their garage in the house and put it out here. They said they don't plan to do much to it, maybe just add the electrical stuff and just kind of hang out here so they don't have to be inside the house all the time. But just give you an idea of what all you could put in here. They got several boxes, several shelves, and looks like they might be adding some more stuff here later. So coming out the side of this building, you'll notice that they got a normal 36 by 80 inch walk-in door here. The customer also got 2 windows here on the side, 36 by 36 inch double pane windows. Here on this lean-to, it's an 8 wide by 30 foot long, connects to the building at 10 feet and goes down to 8. And then went ahead and got 3 openings here on the side. So when we do openings on the lean-to or on a main structure, we go ahead and add what's a header. The header is going to be this top portion right here, this lean-to. What it does is that it removes the legs so that you're able to walk easily in and out from the structure. Normally you would have a leg and a base rail here, but to go ahead and eliminate that, we add these headers. It is a little bit of an extra cost, but just let us know how many openings you do want here. We'll make sure that it fits, because if you remember, our buildings are going to come on 5 feet center to center posts, and we'll go ahead and make sure that the headers fit and that it won't cause any structural integrity of the building. But we'll talk that with the customer as we build and price it out, so we make sure that we get exactly what the customer wants and exactly to require any permits, any licenses that they need to get the building installed. We'll make sure that it all pans out. One thing I want to mention before we leave is that the customer did go ahead and get the 2-tone coloring here on this building. There's going to be vertical wainscot, which is an extra cost, but not too much if you want to go ahead and get this really nice look and finish. They went ahead and got the darker gray that we offer, which is going to be our Quaker gray. They went ahead and got the black at the bottom, black trim. Looks really nice against these windows and all along the side of the building as well, and as the doors. One thing to mention also as well is that we do offer colored screws on our buildings. Normally the screws that come with the structure are going to be galvalume, so they might stick out a little bit, and if you're trying to go for a really clean look, it'd be smart to go ahead and add the colored screws that we offer. Not too much of a price, so it's very, very doable. Well, that's it for us here in American Steel Carports. This has been Brian. We're out here in Ponder, Texas, checking out this nice 20 by 30 by 10 foot tall structure with the lean-to. We saw some nice, cool things in this building, like the spray foam installation, something that American Steel does not offer as of yet, but something you can get. So an idea to think about. But here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.